We're finished digging the orc pit.
Don't fall behind.
Ah, the new horde of orcs.
Stay alert! Hide down, you maggots! Keep going! Listen up! Down!
Look at those orc hordes. Keep squeezing out of that pit.
Get ready for fighting! Over here! Move! Stay alert! Pay attention! Come on!
Look at those orc hordes. Keep squeezing out of that pit.
Stay alert! Down! Hide down, you maggots!
Look at those orc hordes. Keep squeezing out of that pit.
Hide down, you maggots! Move! Stay alert! Orcs! Hack it down!
I see you.
They're attacking over here!
Another orc horde fresh out of the pit.
Come on! Be ready! Be ready! Down! Hold your ground, maggots! Over here! Down! Hide down, you maggots! Keep going! Hide down, you maggots! Pay attention!
These
Pay
new orc
attention!
hordes smell as bad as the
All
old
right!
ones.
You ready? Stay alert! Listen up! Rush it!
They're attacking over here!
Listen up! All right, you ready? Nothing's gonna stop us! Orcs! Destroy them!
Another orc horde fresh out of the pit.
Hide down, you maggots! Be ready! Over here! Listen up! You useless strips! Back to the town!
They're attacking over
Be
here!
ready!
Another orc horde fresh
Come
out
on.
of the pit.
Let's move! Keep going! Be ready! Listen up! Let's get rid of it! Attention! Come on! Down! All right! You ready? Down!
These new orc hordes smell as bad as the old ones.
Be ready! Orcs! Keep going!
The enemy!
Orcs! Move! Let's move!
These new orc
Stay
hordes
alert!
smell as bad as the old
Let's
ones.
stop in here! Let's move! Attack! Keep going!
Sound on the grave.
Open the doors to the great siege works. We put up the
Stay alert!
Dream Palace.
Don't waste time! Listen up! Burn it!
I see
Put the trolls in this here cage.
Get ready for fighting.
Look at those orc horns. Keep squeezing out of that pit.
Pay attention!
They're attacking over here.
These new orc hordes smell as bad as the old ones. Get ready for fighting. All right, you ready?
You would have thought one so small would endure so much.
The enemy is on us! All right, you ready? We'll clear them out.
Another orc horde, fresh
Stay
out.
alert. Nothing's gonna stop us.
I have a token which I was bidden to show thee.
All right, get ready? Stay alert.
Look at those orc horns.
We
Keep
destroyed the
squeezing out of that
enemy!
pit.
I found you, maggots! Come on!
Another orc horde, fresh out of the pit.
Listen up! Listen up! All right, ready? Stay alert! Come on, pay attention! Attack! It's them!
Orcs!
They're attacking!
Orcs!
Let's make use of this catapult.
Get ready for fighting! Keep going! Be ready! All right! The enemy is on us! Pay attention!
Let's make use of this catapult.
And who is this?
They're attacking us.
Air. Who would have thought one so small would endure so much pain?
We've expanded the orc pit.
No, that
We've
he suffered
expanded the
great
troll
hands
cage.
of his
fresh out
host.
of the
It's them! They're attacking! We've expanded the great siege works.
Who would have thought one so small would endure so much pain?
Let's make use of this catapult.
Another orc horde, fresh out of the pit.
Load it up! Give it to us!
No, that he
Stay alert.
suffered greatly at the hands of his host.
See anything out there?
Another
Watch
orc
this
horde,
one.
fresh out of the pit.
We got him again! Bring him down!
Who would have thought one so small would endure so much pain?
Another orc horde, fresh out of the pit.
No, that he suffered greatly at the hands of his host.
They're attacking
It
us.
is wrong with the thought you could treat with me. suffered greatly at the hands of his
Down with
host.
their buildings! That's it! Take it out!
Know that he suffered greatly at the hands of his host.
They're attacking us! Yeah! Fire arrows are ready.
I have a token I was bidden to show thee. Know that he suffered greatly at the hands of his host.
It's them! They're attacking! You see
To
that?
show thee.
Let's get it moving!
Know that he suffered greatly at the hands of
Down
his
with their
host.
buildings!
Know that he suffered greatly at the hands of his
Load it up!
host.
Give it to them! It's them! They're attacking!
Who would have thought
You want this?
would endure so much pain? Know that he suffered greatly at the hands of his host.
All right, you ready?
There's an article just arrived! There he is! A witch! Put the mumma kill in this earpiece. We've expanded the Orc Pit.
We are the Dark Lord's hammer.